Hello guys, it's Boogie BK here, and I finally purchased my own racing cart. It's been a long dream of mine, and I'm finally able to get my hands on one, which I'll be filming a process of me taking everything apart, rebuilding, stripping, painting, buying the engine, installing it, and taking it for a rip. So it's not perfect by any means. It's gonna need a lot of work, like removing the rust, replacing tires, wheels probably, because they're different sizes in the front, fuel tank. It's gonna need a whole engine because it's missing one. I'm gonna service the brakes, replace the bumpers and the body kit, probably change the seat cover as well, steering wheel, and then painting the frame, and it should be done after that. So the whole goal with this cart is for me to actually compete in races. So I'm gonna slowly build it up and work my way up in the ladder to eventually, maybe one day, get into actual professional racing. It's a little awkward to get in, but it's manageable. Surprisingly, I fit perfectly in this thing. It's very comfortable. It's holding me pretty tight around the waist. So we're going somewhere. So if you want to see my journey with this race car, make sure to follow and subscribe down below, and let me know what you want to see up next.